Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Lakshika Menda of grade 10th A, feel extremely privileged to extend my warm welcome to all present here for the celebration of Mathematics Day. Before getting started with celebrating this wonderful event, I would like Priyanshi Singh of grade 11 to tell you all about what is so special about this day.
Exactly 10 years ago, 22nd of December 2011, the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh announced in a major event at the University of Madras that this day would be celebrated as National Mathematics Day in India. To know more about this day, let's get started with the celebration.
Let us start the celebration by seeking the blessings of God.
Welcome Sucharita of grade 11C for the thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sucharita of class 11C. Thought of the day. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations or algorithms. It is about understanding. I will repeat my thought. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations or algorithms. It is about understanding. Thank you.
Thank you, Sucharita, for the wonderful thought. Now we have children of grade 1 to enact as famous mathematicians.
22nd is a National Mathematics Day. Srinivasa Ramanujan is the mathematical genius.
I am Aryabhat. The earth is spherical. The total number of days in a year, that is 365. I also worked on the place value system. Om Shanti.
Brahmagupta. Introduction of zero to mathematics, which stood for nothing, was the biggest contribution of Brahmagupta. He also explained cube root of an integer and two rules of square roots. Thank you.
Satyendra Bose is known for his collaboration with Albert Einstein. He established modern theoretical physics in India.
Kalyapudi Radhakrishnan Rao is a mathematical statistician. He is famous for theory of estimation.
Hello, my name is Inaya. I am 7 years old. Shakuntala Devi was commonly known as the human computer because of her incredible talent to solve calculation without using any calculator. Thank you.
My name is Ali Mohammad Walani. I am from grade 1E. My school name is Sadhuvasa International School. Today I am going to speak about an Indian scientist and statistician and Basanta Chandra Mahalanobis, known as Prisham. He was being one of the main members of First Planning Commission of India. Thank you.
It was an extraordinary performance. Now let's hear a tuneful song by Ritisha of grade 2.
Hello everyone, I am Ritisha J. Nair of grade 2G. Today I am going to recite a poem on math. Math is magic, math is magic, learning math is fun, learning math is fun. Math is queen of sciences, math is queen of sciences. Math is always true, math is always true. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Interesting topics. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. I love math. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. I love math. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. I love math. Let us learn with joy. I love math. Let us learn with joy. I love math. Let us learn with joy. Thank you.
That was a lovely song, Ritisha. Now let us put our hands together for Shivaji of grade 2, who is going to say the tables backward.
Hi everybody, I am Shivaji from grade 2C. Today I am going to tell 19, 21, 23 tables in reverse order. First 19 table. 19 10 190, 19 9 171, 19 8 152, 97 133, 19 6 114, 19 5 95, 19 4 76, 19 3 57, 19 2 38, 19 1 19. Now 21. 21 10 210, 21 9 189, 21 9 168, 21 7 147, 21 6 126, 21 5 105, 21 4 84, 21 3 63, 21 2 42, 21 1 21. Now 23. 23 10 230, 23 9 207, 23 8 184, 23 7 161, 23 6 138, 23 4 115, 23 4 92, 23 3 69, 23 2 46, 23 23.
Now you tell in dodge mode. 24 8s are
192,
23 4s are
92,
19 7s are
133,
17 8s are
136,
16 9s are
144,
14 8s are
112,
13 6 are
78,
12 7s are
84,
8 6 are
48,
9 8s are
72,
25 9s are
225,
22 7s are
154,
21 8s are
168,
18 9s are
162,
15 5s are
75.
Now I would like to call upon Agastya from grade 8A to talk about the importance of zero.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Agastya from grade 8A. So, happy Mathematics Day and also happy birthday to our great Indian mathematician Ramanujan sir. Now, our topic is zero. When we talk about origin of zero, zero was originated or introduced or understood both as a symbol and as a value in India. There were two great mathematicians. First was Brahmagupta ji, who was known as father of zero. He used small dots under the numbers to represent zero in 650 AD. And Aryabhatta ji is one more Indian mathematician or astronomer who used zero as placeholders, and he also used it to solve many things like algebra. Now, when we talk about transformation, ancient zero and transformation of ancient zero and modern zero. In ancient zero, we have symbols, and in modern zero, oval shape. You could see that transformation. You could imagine it. Now, of course, a last question. Is technology mathematics possible without zero? I say that it is impossible. Reason is, in mathematics, we have many topics, and in these topics, zero has a very important role. So without zero, it is incomplete. And when we come to technology, computers, satellites, it understands binary code. Now, binary code consists of 0 or 1. When your number 0 is missing, then your technology is also incomplete. So I feel that, and I hereby conclude that zero plays a very important and a vital role in the life. Thank you and have a nice day.
That was very informative, Agastya. Now, let us hear Lipi Verma talk about a clock.
Tick tock, tick tock, I am a clock. Tick tock, I am a clock. Good morning, everyone. I am Lipi Verma from grade 3. I am a clock. I help you all to tell time precisely. Tick tock is the sound I make. Sometimes I even chime. I have 12 numbers from 1 to 12. This is my long hand, counts minutes. This is my short hand, tells hours. You can find me everywhere, from schools, homes, offices, and even on towers. I am precious than gold, so never waste me. Use me wisely. Happy Mathematics Day. Thank you.
That was a melodious performance. Now let us put our hands together for Rishabh of grade 5 to recite a poem.
Good morning everyone, I am Rishabh Sharma of 5H. Today I am reciting a poem about Mathematics Day. Today is a special day, it is National Mathematics Day. Celebrated on 22nd December, Srinivasa Ramanujan, a great mathematician, remembered. In our life we have some plus and some minus. Divide our sadness and multiply our happiness. We should thank our math teacher who helps to make our future. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishabh. That was such a well recited poem. Now we have another entertaining skit.
Good morning, everyone. We are the students of class 6A. Today, we are going to perform a short skit on uses of mathematics in our daily life. I am Krisha.
I'm Anusri.
And I am Sanjana.
Anusri, it's time to wake up.
But why so early, Mom?
You have to get ready for the first day of school.
But it's only 6 a.m. right now. School starts at 7. So why so early?
It'll take you 30 minutes to get dressed, 15 minutes for having milk and breakfast, and 15 minutes to reach school.
30 minutes plus 15 minutes plus 15 minutes is equals to 60 minutes, which is a whole hour. You're right, Mom. Mom, what is my height?
Krisha, your height is 148 centimeters.
But I want my height to be in meters. How should I do it?
All you have to do is convert it into meters. But it has to be in decimals.
Okay, got it, Mom. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meters. So 148 centimeters is equal to 1.48 meters.
Very good, you are correct.
Sanjana, are you practicing math?
No, I'm doing art, but art is so fascinating about symmetry. This butterfly I drew is symmetrical. A figure has a line of symmetry. If the line of symmetry can be drawn dividing the figure into two identical parts, the figure is said to be known as symmetrical. From this skit, we can say that mathematics is the bedrock of civilization and the language of science. Without it, we couldn't measure anything, make anything, or build anything.
There would be no money, houses, or roads.
No hospitals or food production, no internet or no defense. Thank you.
That was a lovely skit. Moving on, we have students of grade 4th, 5th and 6th to present the angles in the form of a dance.
was so impressive to view angles in such a unique and interesting way, isn't it? Now let us get an insight on the importance of Vedic math and also some interesting facts about math.
Good morning and namaste to one and all. I, V. Akshara of grade 7G, is here to bring the light of importance of Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics. Vedic maths is India's gift to the world, just like yoga and Ayurveda. By learning Vedic maths, you will be able to calculate much faster compared to the traditional system. We will be able to do seemingly difficult calculations like 998 into 997 in split seconds, which will not only make maths an enjoyable experience but make a remarkable difference to your confidence and self-esteem. Vedic Mathematics is a book written by the Indian monk Bharati Krishna Tirtha and first published in 1965. It contains a list of mathematical techniques which the author stated were retrieved from the Vedas and supposedly contained all mathematical knowledge. Tirtha stated that no part of advanced mathematics lay beyond the realms of his book and propounded that studying it for a couple of hours every day for a year equated to spending time about 2 decades in any standardized education system to become professionally trained in the discipline of mathematics. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all. I am Arnav Kotulkar.
All present. My name is K. Akshay Kumar and I am from grade 9D.
Today, on the occasion of National Mathematics Day, we are going to tell you some interesting and intriguing facts about mathematics.
So get ready to blow up your mind with these interesting facts.
Starting with number 1. In a room of 23 people, there is a 50% chance that 2 people have the same birth date.
40 is the only number whose spelling 40 is arranged in alphabetical order. On the other hand, 1 is the only number whose spelling 1 is arranged in reverse alphabetical order.
The mirror image of pi up to 2 decimal places, that is 3.14, looks like, well, PIE pi.
7 is arithmetically unique as it is the only single number that cannot be multiplied or divided whilst keeping the answers between the group 1 to 10.
As per mathematicians, there are 1,77,147 ways in which we can tie a tie.
Pythagoreans used little rocks to represent equations. Do you know meaning of the word calculus in ancient Greek is pebbles?
Among all the shapes with the same area, circle has the shortest perimeter. In contrast, all the shapes with the same perimeter, circle has the largest area. A mathematician named Paul Erdos, at the age of 4, could calculate how many seconds a person has lived as per their age.
Brahmagupta was the Indian astronomer and mathematician who first invented zero and its operations. Zero was represented by a dot.
The symbol used to represent infinity was actually used to represent 1000 by Romans.
So that was the end of interesting math facts. Hope you enjoyed them. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was pretty knowledgeable. Now we present to you another song on maths.
Last but not the least, now we have an informative speech on Ramanujan.
Good morning. I am Aishwarya Rao of 11C and I am going to talk about Ramanujan, one of the greatest mathematicians of India. Ramanujan's contribution to the theory of numbers has been profound. He was indeed a mathematical phenomenon of the 20th century. This legendary genius of India ranks amongst the all-time greats like Eleanor and Jacobi. Ramanujan lived just for 32 years. During his short span, he produced such theorems and formula which even today remain unforgettable. In the present age of supercomputers, he left behind him about 4,000 formulae and theorems. It is believed that these were the beginning of some great theory that he had concepted stage with failed and developed because of the premature and utility dimness. Ramanujan was deeply religious and united spirituality and mathematics. For him, the zero represented the absolute reality. Researchers are still struggling to understand the source of remarkable genius in mathematics. It is believed that he was a great devotee of Hindu goddess of creativity and that goddess used to visit him in dreams and she wrote equations on his tongue. Ramanujan was first Indian to be elected for the Royal Society of London. Thank you.
It gives me immense pleasure to extend a vote of thanks to our chairman sir and our beloved principal Arpita ma'am. A big thank you for the efforts of all our friends who participated and made it a great success. I also wish to express my gratitude to the music department and the parents who helped our friends to participate in this. Finally, I would like to thank all our mathematics teachers who put their effort to make this event a great success. Wish you all a very happy Mathematics Day. Thank you, Dada Shyam.